areas, and May 4 codes are available upon request. Navigational warnings replace notices to shipping and shall be construed as notices to shipping. Navigational warning Charlie 0810-25, Welland Canal. Navigation suspended in the Welland Canal due to high winds. Navigational warning Charlie 0809-25, Lake Erie, Niagara River. Lake Erie, Niagara River ice boom removal in progress. Navigational warning Charlie 0783-25, Lake Ontario. Prescott Marine Communications and Traffic Services. All the HF Digital Selective Calling Transmit and Receive services located at Cobourg off Air 2816